वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स, ਅਸੀਂ ਪੜ੍ਹ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ ਰਿੰਗਸ ਐਂਡ ਸਬ ਰਿੰਗਸ ਦੈਨ ਆਈਡੀਅਲਸ। ਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੜਾਂਗੇ ਅਲਜਬਰਾ ਆਫ ਆਈਡੀਅਲਸ। ਫਸਟ ਥਿਓਰਮ ਹੈ ਇੰਟਰਸੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਆਫ ਟੂ ਲੈਫਟ ਔਰ ਰਾਈਟ ਆਈਡੀਅਲਸ ਆਫ ਅ ਰਿੰਗ is a left or right ideal. Suppose that we have I and J be two left ideals of ring R, क्योंकि 0 I ਨੂੰ belong करता है and 0 is also an element of J, then 0 also belongs to I intersection J. That means I intersection J, this intersection of two right or left ideals is not equal to phi. Suppose X and Y belongs to this intersection of ideals I and J, then X belongs to I and also X belongs to J, because X and Y belongs to intersection of I and J. Similarly Y belongs to Y, Y belongs to J. ਤਾਂ क्योंकि X I ਤੇ Y I ਦਾ एलिमेंट है, जिसमें X माइनस Y आल्सो बिलोंग्स टू I, क्योंकि I एक लेफ्ट आइडियल है R ਦਾ। सिमिलरली X एंड X माइनस Y बिलोंग्स टू J, क्योंकि J ਜਿਹੜਾ है वो लेफ्ट आइडियल है R ਦਾ। क्योंकि X माइनस Y I है तो J दोनों ਨੂੰ बिलोंग करता, इट मीनस X माइनस Y आल्सो बिलोंग्स टू इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ I and J for every X Y elements of intersection of I and J. Further, R be an element, any element of ring R, and X belongs to I intersection J. R ring ਦਾ एलिमेंट है, X I ਦਾ एलिमेंट, इट मीनस R X belongs to I, क्योंकि I ਜਿਹੜਾ है वो लेफ्ट आइडियल है R ਦਾ। Similarly R X belongs to J, क्योंकि J is also an left ideal of R. Therefore R X belongs to intersection of I and J for every element of R of ring R. Therefore intersection of two ideals I and J is a left ideal of R. Now next theorem, for any two ideals I and J of ring R, I union J is an ideal of R if and only if either I is a subset of J और J is contained in I. मान लो कि I and J be two ideals of ring R such that either is I is subset of J or J is subset of I. जेकर I J ਦਾ सबसेट है, इट मीनस इन दोवां ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ यूनियन होएगा वो J होएगा which is an ideal of R, ठीक है। therefore I union J is an ideal of R. if J is subset of I, this means I union J will be equal to I, which is again an ideal of R. therefore I union J is an ideal of R. ਕਨਵਰਸਲੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਲੈ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ if I union J is an ideal of R, ਤਾਂ any element of I and B is an element of J, then A and B also belongs to A union I union J, क्योंकि इसका आइडियल है R ਦਾ, इट मीनस A माइनस B belongs to I union J, ਤਾਂ यूनियन ਨੂੰ belong करता है, इट मीनस either A माइनस B belongs to I और A माइनस B belongs to J। जेकर A माइनस B I ਦਾ एलिमेंट है and also A belongs to I, this means A minus B belongs to I, that B belongs to I, क्योंकि B J ਦਾ एलिमेंट सी ते B I ਦਾ एलिमेंट भी है। therefore J is an subset of J is subset of I, and if A minus B belongs to G, also B belongs to I, that means B plus A minus A belongs to J, क्योंकि J आइडियल है रिंग R ਦਾ। this means A also belongs to J, A belongs to I, A belongs to J means A is subset of J. this is the required result. Let S be any subset of ring R, then the ideal I of R is said to be generated by S if I is a subset of I, S is subset of I, and for any ideal J of ring R, S is subset of J, that implies I is an ideal of a subset of ideal J. In other words, ideal I is smallest among all the ideals of R which contains S, that is I the intersection of all ideals of R which contains S, and we write I is generated by S. This means I which is generated by S is intersection of all ideals of R such that S is a subset of all ideals J. Principal ideal. An ideal of ring is which is generated by a single element is called principal ideal of ring. Let I be the principal ideal of ring generated by A, then we write I is equal to A generated by A. For example, Nz is a principal ideal of Z. For example, Nz is generated by N. This is generated by only one element N. If R is a commutative ring with unity and A is an element ring be any element, then AR is generated by A is a principal ideal of R. Definitions next है. Suppose R be a ring and I and J be two ideals of R. The sum of two ideals will be defined as I plus J is sum of all the elements A plus B such that A belongs to I and B belongs to J, and product of ideals Ij will be defined as the sum of products Ai, Bi, and Ai is an element of I and Bi is an element of ideal J, where n is a natural number. If I and J be two ideals of ring R, then I plus J is an ideal of R, and I plus J is equal to union of I and J, or generated by union I and I union J is the smallest ideal of R containing I union J. क्योंकि 0 पर लिख सकते हैं 0 plus 0 which belongs to I plus J, this means I plus J is not empty, and suppose X and Y be two elements of this some ideal. And therefore X will be of the type A1 plus B1 and Y will be of type A2 plus B2 from for some elements A1 and A2 of ideal I, B1 and B2 any element of ideal J. Now X minus Y will be equal to A plus B, A1 plus B1 minus A2 B plus B2 is equal to A1 minus A2 plus B1 minus B2 which also belongs to I plus J, क्योंकि I तो J दोनों ही ideals ने R दे, and R be any element of ring R, then Rx will be equal to R into A1 plus B1 is equal to RA1 plus RB1, क्योंकि RA1 belongs to I and RB1 belongs to J. Similarly, XR belongs to I plus J. Therefore, I plus J is an ideal of R. Further, X is an element of I plus J, then X will be of type A plus B for some A of element I and B of element J. A I ਨੂੰ belong करता है, B J ਨੂੰ belong करता है, this means A and B both belongs to I union J. This means A plus B is generated by I union J, that is X belongs to I union J. Here I union J is the smallest ideal of ring containing I union J. X belongs to I plus J and X belongs to I union J. This means I plus J is subset of this smallest ideal of R. Further, for all I, इसमें से लिख सकते हैं A element of I, A can be written as A plus 0, A I the element है, 0 J the element है, this means I is an subset of I plus J. Similarly, J is subset of I plus J. This means I union is subset of I plus J. This means I plus J is generated by I union J. Next has simple ring. A ring is said to be simple if there exists an element A and B of R ring such that A is not equal to 0 and A has no proper ideal, or a ring with unity is called simple ring if R has no proper ideal. Next, every field is a simple ring or a field has no proper ideal, or ideals of field F are 0 and F. किसी field दो ideal होंगे 0 and F itself. Let S be any non-zero ideal of field F and 0 is not equal to A, an element of F be an element of F, that implies A inverse also belongs to F. क्योंकि S an ideal है, therefore A is an element of S and A inverse belongs to F. This means A inverse belongs to S. A inverse की है I 1, unity belongs to S. This means ideal S contains the unity of the ring, that is field. जिस रिंग ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ unity है उसਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ field कहांगे. It means S is equal to field. For x element of F, then x can be written as 1 dot x which belongs to S. This means field is a subset of S, but S is a subset of F. This implies S is equal to F. Therefore, only field of F are 0 and if itself. So the field F has no proper ideals. तो F की है एक सिंपल, फील्ड की होएगा एक सिंपल रिंग होएगा. A division ring is a simple ring. Suppose I be an ideal of division ring. क्योंकि I is not generated by 0, there is a non-zero element of I such that क्योंकि R एक division ring है, therefore there is some element in R such that AB is equal to 1. क्योंकि I ideal है R दा, then for an element A of I and B of R, AB belongs to I. This means AB equal to 1 है, therefore 1 belongs to I. तो यूनिटी जी है आइडियल I ਨੂੰ बिलोंग करती है. फर्दर कोई एलिमेंट R ले लीए तो R can be written as 1 into R which belongs to I. This means R is a subset of I. But any ideal of ring is always subset of R. From these two conditions I will be equal to R. Hence R has no proper ideals, so R is a simple ring. Next has article. A commutative ring with unit identity is simple if and only if R is a field. If R is a field, then the result follows immediately by the above theorem. क्योंकि field जिहड़ा हुंदा है वो हमेशा सिंपल रिंग हुंदा है. इसका कन्वर्स लिखिए. सपोज R is a commutative ring with identity and is a simple ring, and 0 which is not equal to A, an element of a ring, then AR is equal to the set of the type elements AR with such that R belongs to ring. था एक आइडियल होएगा R दा. बट R is a simple ring, therefore AR is equal to R. Any left ideal is equal to R. क्योंकि 1 यूनिटी भी है, 1 AR ਨੂੰ बिलोंग करेगा. For some there is some R in such in ring R such that 1 is equal to AR. This means A has inverse in R. तो A का इनवर्स की है R. क्योंकि A कोई भी आर्बिट्ररी एलिमेंट है, इट मीन एवरी नॉन जीरो एलिमेंट ऑफ R हैज इनवर्स, तो R एक फील्ड होएगा. तो नैक्सट असी पढ़ते हैं कोशेंट रिंग्स और factor rings. Let R be a ring and I be an ideal of R. Define the sets A plus I which contains elements of the type A plus X such that X belongs to Y for each element of R ring, and R by I is a set of elements of the type A plus I such that A belongs to R. Then R by I forms a ring with addition. This quotient ring forms a ring with addition and multiplication defined by A plus I is plus B plus I is equal to A plus B plus I, and A plus I into B plus I is equal to AB plus I for all elements of ring R. तो असी पहला देखते हैं कि बाइनरी ऑपरेशन जी है वो वेल डिफाइंड ने. लेट A1 A2 B1 B2 आर द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ रिंग R such that A1 I is equal to A2 I and B1 I is equal to B2 plus I. तो this means a1 is equal to a1 plus 0 is equal to a2 plus i1. I1 is the element of ideal I. Similarly b1 is equal to b plus i2 for some, क्योंकि ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਆਈਡੀਅਲ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਐਲੀਮੈਂਟ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ b2 plus i2 ਵਰਗੇ ਹੋਣਗੇ. This means a1 plus b1 will equal to a2 plus b2 plus i1 plus i2. These are the elements of I. Therefore this belongs to a2 plus b2 plus I. Therefore a1 plus b1 plus I is subset of a2 plus b2 plus I. Similarly we can show that a2 plus b2 plus I is subset of a1 plus b1 I. This means these are equal. Again a1 b1 can be written as a2 b2 plus i1 b plus i2 I, a2 i2 plus i1 i2. For these two elements belongs to a2 b2 plus I, where I is a two-sided ideal. Then a1 b1 plus I is subset of a2 b2 plus I. Similarly we can show a1 b1 a2 b2 plus I is subset of a1 b1 plus I, so that a1 b1 plus I is equal to a2 plus b2 a2 b2 plus I. तो दोनों ऑपरेशन वेल डिफाइंड ने. एसोसिएट लॉ होल्ड करता है, तीन एलिमेंट ले लो, एसोसिएट लॉ होल्ड करेगा. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी भी होल्ड कर दी है. एडिशन जी है कम्यूटेटिव है, a1 प्लस a2 प्लस I लिख सकते हैं, a1 प्लस a2 प्लस a1 लिख सकते हैं. एडिशन कम्यूटेटिव. आइडेंटिटी एलीमेंट 0 प्लस I एग्जिस्ट करता है, तो हर एक एलीमेंट का a का इनवर्स a माइनस a होएगा. ਤਾਂ this means रिंग ਦੀਆਂ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਐਗਜ਼ੀਓਮ ਸੈਟੀਸਫਾਈ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ. ਇਟ ਮੀਨਸ ਦਿਸ ਕੋਸ਼ੈਂਟ ਰਿੰਗ ਇਜ਼ a ring. So students, this is all about rings and subrings and ideals.